more news break that is coming in. This is from the national capital, getting in details that the Delhi Assembly Speaker and senior Aam Aadmi Party leader Ram Nivas Goyal has announced his decision to step back from electoral politics due to age-related reasons. In a letter that's been addressed to the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, Goyal has expressed gratitude for the respect and opportunities that he received during his tenure, a decade-long tenure as an MLA and Speaker of the Assembly. So this is senior Aam Aadmi Party leader Ram Nivas Goyal, who's announced retirement from electoral politics. He cited age-related reasons for the decision that he's taken. And with that, we head into a very short break, but our special coverage continues from Mumbai. Fadnavis set to return as the Chief Minister for the third time. And let's put out more news break coming in. The Delhi High Court has granted interim bail to former BJP leader Kuldeep Singh Sengar, convicted in the Unnao rape case for 2 weeks on medical grounds. The court has directed that the accused be admitted to AIIMS with the medical superintendent tasked to inform the court whether his treatment can be effectively managed at the facility. So this is related to the Unnao rape case. Delhi High Court that has granted interim bail to former BJP leader Kuldeep Singh Sengar for 2 weeks on medical grounds. The medical superintendent has been asked by the court to suggest to the court whether his treatment is possible in AIIMS or not. So it's temporary relief for Kuldeep Sengar, who's convicted in Unnao rape. A 2-week bail on medical grounds that has been granted by the Delhi High Court. So these are the details that we have as of now. It's some temporary relief only on medical grounds for Kuldeep Sengar, who's been convicted in Unnao rape case. A 2-week interim bail that's been granted to the former member of the UP Legislative Assembly. He's been convicted of rape, murder and attempt to murder, criminal conspiracy and criminal intimidation in the Unnao rape horror. So ex-BJP leader who's been given interim bail.
मेरा पानी उतरता देख मेरे किनारे पर घर मत बसा लेना, मैं समंदर हूँ लौट कर वापिस आऊंगा।
मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ एकनाथ शिंदे जी का, महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री पद के लिए मेरे नाम की सिफारिश का पत्र दिया है।
BJP's Devendra Fadnavis is all set to be sworn in today at Azad Maidan at 5 p.m.
All right, viewers, starting off with a big breaking update coming in. Devendra Fadnavis, the Maharashtra CM designate, is right now at the Siddhivinayak temple offering prayers and is there for a puja ahead of the swearing-in ceremony at 5:30 p.m. And this is very important because we'll see it's a mega event taking place. 5:30 p.m. onwards is when we'll see that the Maharashtra CM will be taking oath. And he's left for Siddhivinayak temple a short while back. Now he's at Siddhivinayak temple offering prayers ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. And these are pictures coming in for you viewers as we keep getting more updates. We also see that a lot of supporters are gathering outside his residence, Sagar Bungalow in Mumbai, hours after the BJP leader will be taking oath. Elaborate security arrangements are in place. Okay, now we see pictures coming in of Devendra Fadnavis leaving Siddhivinayak temple. He is leaving. He had left around an hour back from Sagar Bungalow to the Siddhivinayak temple to offer prayers, to do puja. Now he's leaving, and what will he do next? Well, for that I have to go across to my colleague Sandeep. Sandeep, Devendra Fadnavis is looking very happy, and the first task of the day for him was to visit Siddhivinayak temple, offer prayers, and now he's off